Catalan independence leaders Carles Puigdemont and Toni Comín have taken the first steps in the process of taking their seats in the European Parliament as MEPs. The pairs travelled to Strasbourg on Friday to pick up their temporary accreditations. They say they'll get their permanent passes in the new year. Gerard Escaich reports.
Eurodiputado, a nosotros nos votaron más de 1 millón de personas.
Showing their new temporary passes as MEPs, on Friday morning, former Catalan President Carles Puigdemont and a former Minister, Toni Comín, took action after a ruling by European Court of Justice on Oriol Junqueras. However, Puigdemont knows that not all imprisoned Catalan leaders will be home for Christmas.
50-50. There are people in prison and people in exile that shouldn't be there.
Will you attend the next plenary session?
Yes, of course.
The next plenary session is scheduled for January 16th, and among the required steps to gain permanent accreditation, Puigdemont has already resigned as a member of the Catalan Parliament. The European Parliament doors were open for them after the ruling by the European Court. It ruled that an MEP is granted parliamentary immunity as soon as election results are announced. And although it referred to another independence leader, Oriol Junqueras, currently in prison, Puigdemont and Comín have been able to benefit from it. Parliament's President David Sassoli complied with the sentence just a few hours after it was pronounced, lifting the ban on entry to the European Parliament's premises. Gerard Escaich for Euronews.